Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best folding hammocks available on the market today. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, premium, or somewhere in between, we've got you covered with detailed reviews to help you make the best choice. You can find links to each product in the description below. So let's jump into it. At number 5, we have the Wise Owl Outfitters Hammock Chair for Adults. If you're on a budget but don't want to compromise on comfort, this is an excellent option. This hammock chair offers a swinging and rocking motion, giving you that relaxing hammock feel without needing trees or a stand. Its wide, padded seat structure and ergonomic design make it comfortable for extended use, whether you're at the campsite, in your backyard, or enjoying a park day. The build quality is impressive for its price. The chair is made from durable, weather-resistant materials and features a reinforced frame that supports up to 300 pounds. Despite this, it's lightweight at just under 11 pounds and folds down easily into the included carry bag for portability. However, it's worth noting that the fabric may fade over time if left in the sun for long periods, so proper storage is recommended. This chair is perfect for casual outdoor enthusiasts who want a reliable, portable option without breaking the bank. The integrated cup holder adds a nice touch of convenience. However, compared to more expensive models, it lacks some advanced features like adjustable reclining positions. Still, for $65.11, it's hard to beat the value. Pros: affordable, lightweight, portable. Cons: limited adjustability, fabric prone to sun fading. Coming in at number 4, we have the Anagu Double Hammock with Stand. If you're looking for a traditional hammock experience with room for two, this product is a standout choice. The spacious design is perfect for couples or individuals who want extra space to stretch out. Its adjustable steel stand allows you to customize the height, ensuring you find the perfect lounging position every time. The build quality is fantastic, featuring a stable, heavy-duty steel frame with a balance rope for added stability. It's designed to prevent tipping, making it safe for users of all ages. The breathable fabric is durable and comfortable, making it ideal for long hours of use in the garden, on the patio, or even at the beach. Assembly is a breeze thanks to the intuitive spring button design, and it comes with a carrying bag for added convenience. While this hammock is versatile and easy to set up, it's not the most portable option due to its heavier weight of 36.5 pounds. It's best suited for home use or short trips where portability isn't a top priority. Pros: spacious, adjustable height, stable design. Cons: heavy, less portable compared to folding hammock chairs. At number 3, we have the Timber Ridge Hammock Camping Chair, a premium option that comes as a 2-pack, making it perfect for couples or families. This chair is all about comfort, with its padded fabric, built-in pillow, and adjustable backrest that lets you find the ideal seating position. It's designed for relaxing outdoors, whether you're at a campsite, on your patio, or at a picnic. The chair is constructed with a sturdy steel frame that supports up to 300 pounds, and the auto-lock system adds an extra layer of stability. Setting it up is straightforward, and it folds down into a carry bag for portability. At 15 pounds per chair, it's not the lightest, but the comfort and durability make up for the extra weight. The adjustable seat reclines between 90 and 130 degrees, giving you versatility for sitting upright or lounging back. While this product is on the pricier side at $159.99 for the set, the quality and comfort justify the investment. It's ideal for those who want a luxurious outdoor seating experience. Pros: premium comfort, adjustable backrest, sturdy build. Cons: higher price point, heavier than some alternatives. Our runner-up is the King Camp Hammock Chair with Footrest. This chair takes relaxation to the next level with its detachable footrest, allowing you to elevate your legs and recline in comfort. The swinging motion mimics a hammock, making it perfect for stargazing, reading, or just unwinding in nature. The breathable mesh-padded seat and headrest pillow add to the comfort, while the heavy-duty frame supports up to 400 pounds. This chair is highly portable, folding down quickly and packing into the included carry bag. It's heavier than some options at 6.1 kilograms, but that's a small trade-off for the comfort and durability it provides. The chair includes thoughtful details like a side cup holder and weather-resistant materials, making it ideal for camping trips, beach outings, or backyard lounging. At $109.99, it offers a great balance of comfort, portability, and features. It's an excellent choice for those who want more versatility and luxury from their folding hammock chair. Pros: detachable footrest, high weight capacity, excellent comfort. Cons: slightly bulky when packed, higher price compared to simpler models. Finally, at number 1, we have the King Camp Hammock Camping Chair. This chair strikes the perfect balance between affordability, comfort, and functionality, making it our top pick. It features a smooth swinging motion for ultimate relaxation, an oversized design for added comfort, and a breathable mesh-padded seat with a supportive headrest. The aluminum alloy and steel frame make it both lightweight and durable, with a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds. Setting up this chair is a breeze with its quick open frame system, and it folds down into a compact carry bag for easy transport. At 10.3 pounds, it's portable enough for camping, beach trips, or backyard use. The chair also includes thoughtful details like padded armrests, a cup holder, and anti-slip feet for stability on any surface. Priced at $79.99, this chair offers incredible value for its features and build quality. It's ideal for anyone who wants a high-quality folding hammock chair without breaking the bank. Pros: excellent value, durable and lightweight, ergonomic design. Cons: reclining positions are limited, not as luxurious as premium models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect folding hammock for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with these products, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy relaxing.